Hello guys, welcome to our channel. We have reviewed a list of the best fishing carts out here. Let's get started with the videos. Number 10. Fish N Mate Senior. Constructed with strong, resilient aluminum tubing, the Fish N Mate Senior should be able to endure plenty of excursions and any inclement weather you may encounter. Despite its heavy-duty frame, it's relatively lightweight and agile. Corrosion-resistant aluminum tubing construction, providing parts and attachments for outdoor recreation, quality craftsmanship and materials. Number 9. Gorilla Carts GC05 FSH. The spacious bed of the Gorilla Carts GC05 FSH accommodates plenty of bulky accessories, while its foldable bait tray comes in handy for organizing lures, leaders and sinkers. With 8 rod holders, it's a nice option for those who like to go out with friends. Perfect for the pier, fishing, a picnic or sporting events. Foldable. Number 8. Angler's Pier. When compared to some other models, the Angler's Pier lacks some of their fancier features, but, for many, that simplicity adds to its appeal. It's equipped with 4 rod holders and ample space for all of your angling essentials. Urban Achievers is a small family-owned business located in the Midwest, dedicated to providing you with a wide range of outdoor sporting and active lifestyle products. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best fishing carts or simply click below the video description link. Fishfindly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 7. Muscle Carts HDBC. Built to perform on rough terrain, the Muscle Carts HDBC can haul up to 220 pounds of equipment to and from your favorite spot. The aluminum frame is constructed with strong welding, and a well-placed handle allows for smooth maneuvering. This handy fish and marine cart allows you to transport it all in one trip. Number 6. Fish N Mate Junior. Built to perform on rough terrain, the Muscle Carts HDBC can haul up to 220 pounds of equipment to and from your favorite spot. The aluminum frame is constructed with strong welding, and a well-placed handle allows for smooth maneuvering. Rolls over sand effectively, comes with a canvas liner, tires are removable for transport. Number 5. Plus One Surf. The Plus One Surf is capable of hauling up to 300 pounds on solid ground, but you'll want to limit the amount of weight on board if you'll be traversing soft sand at any point. Its frame extends from 31 to 38 inches to accommodate varying amounts of equipment. Water and weatherproof. Imagine not having to worry about your fishing wagon rusting or oxidizing for years. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best fishing carts or simply click below the video description link. Fishfindly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Mack Sports Wagon. It doesn't get much more portable than the Mack Sports Wagon, which it folds and unfolds in a matter of seconds, freeing up more time to spend chasing bass, walleye and trout. Its built-in cup holders will keep your beverages safe and nearby. Roomy interior. Large capacity wagon opens to approx 43.7 x 20.2 x 22.5. Number 3. Striker Deluxe. With room for rods, tackle and refreshments, the Striker Deluxe is suitable for rolling across the beach or dragging down to the river. It comes with all the tools you'll need for assembly, so you don't need to purchase anything separately. Striker is known for its dependable fishing equipment. The item can hold up to 54-quart cooler plastic. Number 2. Tipkey 2100. The Tipkey 2100 is built with a durable aluminum frame to prevent rust in saltwater environments, and its 20-inch pneumatic tires are tailor-made for navigating bumpy terrain. When you're not fishing, it's useful for camping and gardening, too. Fold-up utility cart for use in marine environments, carries up to 350 pounds of gear to take on and off boats. Number 1. Berkeley Sportsman. Relatively lightweight and simple to maneuver, the Berkeley Sportsman is a serviceable solution if you're not trying to take tons of gear with you on your next outing. Its 4 rod holders are removable, which is convenient if you fish alone and also in groups. Compact design for easy transport and storage, includes 4 removable rod holders and an integrated seat and cutting board. Thanks for watching. Hope you like our video. Please like this and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. For more information about this video and products, please follow the links below in the video description.